Look at the skies, look how they shine for you. And it was all yellow. Morning, folks. Oh, my car's over there. Oh dear. Right, folks, very good morning. Yes, now you saw the ambulance there. Living in this part of Broughty Ferry. It's all old age pensioners that live around where I am, so it's very quiet, great area to live. And this row that goes all the way along here, it's all full of the old folk, and unfortunately a lot of them, you see ambulances here all the time, folks. It's a hard and tough fact of life that they all just seem to, you know, die very, very quickly and easily here. I'm afraid that the ambulance is always here, and the house just over there, a couple of years ago, maybe even last year, was where I found the old lady dead behind the door. I had to break in. Oh, it's horrific, man. Old Margaret over there, yeah, she was dead, man. That was a horrible day. Came home at night time and the poodle was outside yapping away, and you know, it was never out, so we knew something was wrong. So I had to go, and I was banging on the door, and there's a few neighbours there, and I was like, Margaret, you there? And I looked and I could see her legs beside the door, so I went all the way around the back and couldn't get the door open, so eventually forced it open. Oh, and there she was. There she was. What a shame. Poor old Margaret. Anyway, folks, there we go. It's just a sad fact of life. Anyway, we're off to work right now. I can't get it open. Oh, there we go. Right, folks, as day 2 of my health kick, it is banana today. So yesterday was crunching up cornflakes. This morning we're having a banana.
Slow, going slow, getting very slow. Going slow, getting very slow. Going slow, getting very slow. Going slow, going.
There we go. Now, tonight's tea, folks. Sorry, Jag Lives has become a bit of a cookery show over the last few episodes. Tonight we're using this. We're making a chili con carne, but this book is from the 70s. It's an American book. Oh, it's an Asda book, actually. So, what could it be? It might be. Anyway, Making the Most of Beef. Yes, folks, by Sammy Mead. It's a very 70s kind of thing. But this one recipe we used all the time is this chili con carne recipe. So here it is. There's a lot of stains on it. But this is the one we always use, and it makes a great chili con carne, I must say. There's a picture of it. Oh, there it is there. That's what it's supposed to look like. There we go. Now, folks, the great thing about chili is that it will last you a couple of days. If you make enough days, so tonight I've made a massive batch here, enough to last Rosie and I at least a couple of days. So tonight we're going to have it in a wrap with some sour cream, cheese and salad. And then tomorrow we'll probably have it in a baked spud. And it always seems to taste a little bit better on the second day for some reason, because all the flavours have come out and gone into all the juices, and oh, it's just delicious, man, on the second day. However, it's going to be really good. This really is a fantastic recipe, folks. I think we've used a couple more recipes from this very 70s book. Really is a good recipe, man. Stone. Alrighty, folks, here we are, just finished work. What a lovely afternoon it's been the best day of the year so far. Lovely and sunny. Haven't even worn a jacket today, no, just came in with my sleeves rolled up today. It's been great. shades on all the time. Oh man, what a day, what a lovely day. And here we are working. What a tragedy to be working on a day like this. I should have been out and about. Right, I'm going home, folks. I'm absolutely starving. You know, I wasn't feeling too good last night, so I didn't really eat the chili that I made. I wasn't feeling so good. So, well, there's Kerry, well, hey, with a sunroof down. Lucky girl. She got a lovely Mini. Where is she? Can you see her? Oh, she's gone. Yeah, she's got a Mini with a convertible, man. Lovely. Wonderful. What's this? Is this convertible? Come on. Why haven't I got a sunroof? What's that? That's just a light. Okay, I'm going home, folks, to have my chili now in a wrap. This is it. Starving. Right, folks, behind me here, right here, we have a murder house, yes, right here. The old boarded up now. There's a stabbing happened here last year. The guy's just been put in jail for doing it. Bit of an alteration here. An alteration, what do you call it? I don't know, anyway. There's one of those moments where something goes wrong and there's a big stabbing. So there it is, that's the murder house, folks. Look, it's in a block of flats. It's right at the very bottom. It's boarded up, looks horrible, doesn't it? So that's it, a murder house right beside me, folks. Crazy. The next bus due, we've got bus due, mate. Now, folks, I'm stuck on 2 clues. This one here, 8 across, a gardening implement, 8 across garden implement, and a cutting remark. What can that be? A cutting remark. I think that 8 across bribed about gardening tool. It's got to be an anagram of bribed for the gardening tool. It's got higher than R, so.
Travis. No, something.
Yeah, but I think it's a D, a buy, a bidder or something. I don't know. It's cutting remark, and this one here, less, diminishes, it's called, diminishes. Diminishes, 4 down, diminishes. Something B.
A bus or something.
Oh, is that a bus? I don't know.
think it's a bus.
Does that mean what? Does that mean?
I don't know, we'll see
You just made it up. A bus, right. And this is cutting remark.
Cutting remark.
Come on, you can do it, Rosie.
Cutting remark.
Right, folks, well, the crossword beat me there. The Evening Telegraph crossword. It's always quite hard to get. Just got 1 clue to get. I think we've almost finished it. Just got like 2 clues. Is it a digger? The gardening implement. I don't know, man. It's an anagram of bribed, I think, but hey, just couldn't get it. But there we go. Almost finished it. Look at my nose, dead red. God. Oh wow, look at this, folks. It's going to be my wrap. There's just got chili, cheese, salad, and a wrapped sour cream. Oh my goodness me, doesn't it look good? Oh yes. It is all wrapped up, folks. Ready to eat. It's almost gone, folks. Delicious. Well, folks, I'm starving. I'm having a sandwich as well. Look, excellent. And a packet of crisps, of course. Right, folks, here we are. Now, I'm absolutely starving this. I've had my wrap. That was delicious. Really, really tasty. The chili was really succulent and, oh, just so tasty. So now, I'm still hungry, so I'm having a sandwich, a ham sandwich of salad and mayonnaise and a packet of crisps. Oh, delicious, man. So, once again, it's all about food. Jag Lives has turned into a food show at the moment, folks. Ever so sorry about that. So I'm just going to read the Evening Telegraph. Oh no, I did. I've done the crossword upstairs. So this is another one. Let's read this one. That's an old one. It's yesterday's. Wednesday. What's today? Thursday. Right. Oh, I lose track so easily. Anyway, here we go. I'm going to have my sandwich. Right, folks. This is my favourite kind of thing to do in a guitar. We have the A chord. Just bar it. But what we do is we get this finger and this finger, and we do all sorts of things with the strings. Nice, simple thing. Thank you. Jazz chords. Funny things, jazz chords. I like a major seventh. A major seventh is this one here. That's your major seventh fingering. Also can do this for major seventh. You see that? It's quite hard. But it's a nice little progression using minor sevenths and major sevenths. Right, this is a minor seventh. You just bar that. Dampen that string, use that as your root. So that's a. You can also put your fingers here. Just give it that little bit of zing. So the progression goes like this: a major seventh, which is a B flat, A and then a D seventh. Bam, bam, ninth, seventh. Right, so there you go. There's only one course of action left for me to take. About to hit the singer, I've had to lose my face. Ejection, explode the face. Ejection, and ruin the face. Ejection, explode the face, yeah. Ejection, explode the face, yeah. Ejection, ejection. Make Kelly's clotted cream. Oh man, that was going to be good. There it is.
Good.
Oh, it looks good, man. Oof, looks great. Nice cream and chocolate pudding, look at that, good. Well, folks, you are going to work now. I've been filming quite a lot today, so I'm just going to take a while to edit this video. But what is it you want me to do, folks? I mean, give me some ideas. Do you want me to do you just like watching my daily life? Do you like me just wandering around doing stuff in my house and that? Or do you want me to go on more adventures? What is it? What should I do, folks? Give me some ideas in the comments, please. My way there. Remember, give me a like, folks, and hit that notification button as well. It all helps towards the Jag Lives cause, folks. Yes, it does. Thank you. Right, here we go. Hey! Nice. $31.48 tonight. Okay, not bad. At least I've got my one. And we have maximum fuel. Yes, there it is. Maximum fuel. I've just filled up with petrol there, folks. So at least this time I had my wallet with me. I made sure before I started putting the petrol in that I had it, so I did have it. Because remember last time I lost my wallet. That was a disaster. Right, work's finished. We're going home. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching as always, and we'll see you sooner than you think.